How to create a sequence in HubSpot. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create a sequence within HubSpot. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to HubSpot. Then we are going to sign in for the account. If you don't have an account, it is very easy to sign up. Once you have signed in, we are going to pop off here this vertical menu. Then we are going to click on automation. Within automation, we have multiple items. We have workflows, sequences, chat flows, surveys. Click on sequences and here it will show up the sequence that you can create. Here we have the templates and also you can go ahead and create from scratch. All you have to do is select either one of these sequences or create from scratch. To create the sequence, you have to upgrade from the normal plan that you have to a more professional plan. You can go ahead and talk to sales and see the most convenient plan for you, or you can start a free 14 days trial and then you are going to create your sequence. We have here the plan that is started and this is the sequence. You can go ahead and start with a pre-made sequence or from zero. I'm going to put this recent conversation, which is a pre-made sequence. Here we have the automation or the automated email, day 1, day 3, day 5, day 6, I mean. Here we have everything. You have to set up everything. Click on see more and see the content of each of the emails. When you finish this step, you are simply going to click on create sequence and the sequence is successfully added. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and see you soon on the next one.